In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check NYC subway and bus schedules digitally using the MyMTA app. Navigating New York City's vast transportation system can seem daunting at first, but with today's digital tools, you can easily plan your journey across the city. Let's get started by exploring how to use the official MTA resources effectively. First, you'll want to head to the official MTA website. Simply open your internet browser and type in or click into the URL new.mta.info. This site serves as the central hub for everything related to New York City public transportation, providing you access to the most accurate and up-to-date information. Once you've landed on the homepage, direct your attention to the Trip Planner tool. This is a powerful feature that helps you find the best routes for your journey by public transit. Here's how to use it. Start by entering your starting point. This could be a specific address or a nearby subway station, and then your desired destination. The Trip Planner will then work its magic, providing you with the most efficient routes whether by subway or bus. Plus, you'll get crucial details like estimated travel times and live updates, which help you avoid unexpected delays and plan accordingly. Now let's explore how to specifically check subway schedules. Hover your cursor over the Schedules option in the top menu of the website. A drop-down will appear. Click on Subway from this menu. You'll then be prompted to select your subway line, which allows you to view the timetable for that line alongside its current service status. This is particularly helpful if you're looking to catch a specific train or are concerned about service changes due to maintenance or other disruptions. Next, let's shift to checking bus schedules, another critical component for traversing the city. Just like with the subway, go to Schedules and then click on Bus. This will redirect you to a new page where you can pick the borough you're interested in alongside the specific route number. Selecting these options will grant you access to detailed stop times, ensuring you know exactly when and where to catch your bus. As you explore these resources, take advantage of the real-time updates and service alerts available. These tools are designed to make your travel smoother by keeping you informed about any changes that might impact your trip. There you have it. Navigating the New York City subway and bus system doesn't have to be overwhelming. By making use of the MyMTA app and the comprehensive tools available on the MTA website, you can seamlessly plan your journey across the city. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.